Hi everyone, my name is Alexis and welcome to Real Life. Today I'm excited to introduce to you all our special guest for this episode. He's no other than the General Manager of Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort. Sir Reese, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
And thanks for having us here at your beautiful resort. It's been years since I've been back here and I was telling Eric earlier, I said, Eric, dako na kausaban ang resort, nindot na kaayo siya. You know, it seems like you've put in a lot since the past few years.
Yeah, we really have to upgrade, to develop or uplift the property in order to be in accordance or in latest standard of other properties also.
Sir Reese, I know that you have been with the hotel and restaurant industry since the beginning, no?
Yeah, for including my experience in restaurant, it's already, I think, 27 years for restaurant and hotel business.
So, what inspired you to go into this industry?
Actually, there are a lot of challenges that because I love challenges. And also, here in Maribago, my people, they are so nice, they are very good. That inspires me to improve or work harder.
Okay. So when you were in college, I know that your background is accounting.
Yeah, I'm a certified public accountant.
How did you end up in the hotel and restaurant?
Actually, I worked before in a shipping industry.
Okay.
Then
as an accountant.
As an accountant.
Okay. Yes.
Then they opened a restaurant, Whistler Mountain Restaurant, way back 1985. I joined there. In Whistler Mountain Restaurant as an accountant.
Okay.
That's opened my door to this hotel, restaurant and hotel business.
Okay. So first of all, you started in the restaurant, and when you moved on to the hotels, what position did you start at?
Okay, going back to because after my my work in a restaurant, I work in a beach resort. In southern part of Cebu.
Okay.
Badian Island Beach Resort. I worked there as a controller.
Okay.
Then after that, I was promoted as the assistant resident manager. I worked there for 4 years.
Okay. GM, what is the work of a controller? Unsa man siya?
More
sa hotel.
Well, you are just like a policeman in the resort. You have to control. You have to control the expenses. Revenue management.
Okay.
Revenue, maximize revenue and minimize expenses.
Okay.
That's your main goal.
Yeah, just like in any business, no?
Yeah.
So, kailangan dyan ito na controller.
Yeah, actually in business, it is just like maximizing revenue and minimizing expense in order to increase your profit.
Okay. So, in your interviews from the local dailies, you voice out how it should be a collaboration of effort between the private sectors and the local government in promoting, you know, the resort. So, can you expound on that?
Actually, not only the resort, but the destination, Cebu. Because the private sectors can only do, they have limitations. But if you want to have a bigger results, it is better to work together with the government.
Yes.
So, it's not the resort, but the whole destination, Cebu.
Exactly.
Everything here in Cebu will be affected if we join hands together with the government.
Yeah, because there are a lot of factors that contribute to, you know, the promotion of tourism. Like, for example, safety.
Yeah,
you know,
peace and order.
Peace and
that
order.
Is the number one.
No?
Peace and order, infrastructure.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. The cleanliness of the destination.
Mo gyud. Kay mo man gyud na ato ano, like sometimes like when we have booked flights to a certain country and then there's political turmoil there, di natamo dayon. Kay mahadlok ta. So yeah, that's important.
We have a lot of sales calls, sales trips in different countries, but we can do the success is so limited if we will not be supported by the government.
Yeah, that's
the government should, you know, promote peace and order, infrastructure, improve infrastructure. and the cleanliness of the destination.
That's very important, GM. So guys, to stick around because when we come back, we're going to get to know more about Mr. Reese Buwak, the General Manager of the Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort. Welcome back to Real Life. We're still here with General Manager of Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort, Mr. Reese Buwak. And Sir Reese, I know that you've studied in Nanyang University.
Cornell Nanyang, yeah.
Cornell Nanyang University.
Yeah, in Singapore.
Sa Singapore na siya. How long were you there?
For my general manager's program, because I studied there for my general manager's program, it took me 15 days to finish my general manager's program. Then also for my advanced finance, I studied there also. Then for my finance, it was like modules. I finished the 3 modules. But before that, I also studied in Asian Institute of Management.
Okay.
Finance so, also.
Finance gihapon. Yeah. So, ang imong background na agad siya sa numbers.
Yeah, that's why I want to go out of my comfort zone. That's why I studied the General Manager's program.
Okay.
Because my forte is in finance.
So, GM, what do you think is like one of the pinaka-valuable lessons that you've learned studying abroad nga imong na-apply karon sa imong trabaho?
Actually, in finance, well, it is just like a confirmation of what we have here. In general manager's course, it is more on the connections or network. Because as of now, we are active. Every year, we have this Cornell Hotel Society. We meet every year. We discuss problems. So, even outside of that meetings or conferences, we have communications every week. How's the business going in each properties?
Okay.
So we have connections. The most important there is connections.
Yeah, because you also learn from other people's experiences.
Yeah.
No, para dili kayo gasto.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi
if in case you have this kind of situation, what you will do is just to share that to your classmates.
Yeah, that's
Then they will give you inputs.
Oo. Kaya ingon man sila nga sometimes learning by experience is expensive. Okay, dako ka gasto ko
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, sige, naka-learn ta, pero dako sa tag nagasto.
Dako sa tag nagasto.
Ito, I can relate to that, GM. So, outside your working hours, unsa man ang imuhang mga, you know, what things do you do for leisure? Or do you still have free time ba?
Yeah, I have free time. Actually, I love running. I go into marathons. I run 42 kilometers, 21 kilometers. So, running is my way of life.
Taas kaya ang 42 kilometers.
Yup.
So how
it's
long
painful.
is that? Oh yeah, marunong maka-imagine ko. Because I run like, what, 3 miles and I feel like I'm going to die. Bugat na itong lawas ko, GM. Oo. So running is your life. Dugay na ka nagsigig run, GM?
4 years.
4 years na?
Yeah.
Okay, and do you get to run every day? Or?
Yes, every day. I practice my speed works almost every day. Then I do my cross training. Sometimes swimming or cycling.
Okay. So you're into the health and fitness good.
Yep.
And even you're watching what you eat as well?
Yeah, I'm a vegetarian. I don't eat meat.
Oh, yeah?
I only eat seafood and vegetables. Mostly seafoods.
Okay. I actually was thinking...
vegetables also.
Oh, yeah. Vegetables,
Vegetables,
no?
yeah.
I was thinking, like before, many years ago, I wanted to convert into vegetarianism. But one of my friends who lives in New York converted to vegetarianism.
Okay.
And now she is one of the heaviest girls I know.
Why?
Because I think she eats a lot of breads and cakes. Because I think she's
that's carbo.
Oh, yeah.
You have to use your... Carbo, that's your energy. So you have to use that. It's easily to burn if you run.
If you run. But yeah, I think she just sits around because she designs.
Yeah, that's the problem there.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't work for me because takbulan kayo ko, GM. Dili madam. Okay, so GM, if there's anything that nga wala pa nimo nabuhat, nga gusto nimo buhaton, unsa man na siya?
Wa pa nabuhat. Well, I know how to swim, but my speed is... Because I want to join triathlon.
Okay.
That's my problem there because I have problem in swimming. My speed...
So you have to learn how to swim faster?
Yeah, I have to swim faster.
But you have big pools here. Maybe you can practice here.
Well, we have the beach, but you know, my time also.
Yeah.
It's not easy to wake up early in the morning and you have to balance everything.
That's true.
I cannot do swimming every day, maybe once a week, but you know, to swim 3 kilometers is difficult for me.
Oh, yeah.
For a triathlon. I'm not ready. Yeah, that's why I want to be there.
Yeah. So that's really what you're working on right now.
Yep.
Okay. So guys, to stick around because when we come back, we're going to get up close and personal with the General Manager, Mr. Rhys Buwak, right here on Real Life. Welcome back to Real Life. We're still here with Mr. Rhys Buwak. He's the General Manager of Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort, and now it's time to get up close and personal with him. Sir Rhys, can you imagine yourself in 10 to 15 years? Sa imong tanaw, mo ba gyapon niya imong trabaho?
Actually, you know, for me it's difficult. Why? Because before, this place is just like Alasang, Kabatuan, Daghang, gubot pa kayo. And now it's a paradise.
Yeah.
So it's painful for me to leave this place. I like the place and I love the place. I love the people. I love the environment. So it's difficult for me to be out of this paradise.
So, I mean, it's very rare, GM, nga, to meet people nga contented na kaayo, komportable na kaayo sa ilang trabaho. And I can only imagine how it feels for you nga, murag you've already decided nga, this is really the industry that you belong in, and you know, you have already dedicated your life in this industry. So, I'm sure a lot of people out there are watching us, and you know, they want to learn a tip or two from you, like how to be able to become, you know, Rhys, like this kind of person who is contented and who is happy with what he's doing and continually, you know, improving each day.
Okay, actually, a thankful person is a happy person. I'm happy because I'm thankful. Instead of I'm replacing the expectation to appreciation. I always appreciate. I always every day I thank God for the blessings and everything that He has given to me. So that's why I'm a happy person. And I also have this, I balance my life through exercise.
Yes.
To relieve this stress of this work.
Yeah, bitaw. No, kay after exercising, where you feel happy.
Yes,
no?
Yes, that's true.
It releases certain hormones in the brain, I think.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, GM, thank you so much for having us here. It was so good talking to you. Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
Thank you also for visiting Blue Water Resorts.
Thank you for having us here. Yes, we're very happy. So that concludes Real Life's episode. Once again, my name is Alexis saying thanks for keeping it here on RCTV, Channel 36.
We got you covered.
So if you know someone who's interesting and you want to see them in real life, all you have to do is tell us about them. Email us at aroundtown@rctv.com.ph, or you can call us at 416-2260. Just look for Gwen or Riza. Now it's time for Real Greetings, and here is this episode's winner. Congratulations to our winner. You have just won for yourself a gift from Blooms and Bubbles. You may call the number on your screen to know how to claim your prize. To everyone else, don't forget to send in your greetings to aroundtown@rctv.com.ph or post your loved ones' names on the comment section below the Real Greetings photo announcement. And take advantage of some awesome birthday presents. Now, here are the other birthday celebrants for the second half of July. Happy birthday to all you guys, and congratulations once again to our Real Greetings winner. To know more about what's new on RCTV, check out our website at www.rctv.com.ph or stay connected through Facebook and Twitter to get the latest updates. Share your thoughts with us and let us know how you have been promoting the Health Month as well. We'll see you on Facebook. Now that wraps up our show for this week. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Around Town right here at the Blue Water Maribago Beach Resort. Would like to say a special thank you to Mr. Reese Buak, the General Manager right here at the Blue Water. And of course, thank you Miss I, and thank you Sir Eric for being such great hosts. But before we go, we would like to thank our sponsors. City Gym, the gym that never sleeps, the gym that puts you first. City Gym is located at the Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino along Salinas Drive, Lahug, Cebu City. And of course, we'd like to thank The Loft, Penthouse, and Veranda. Don't forget to visit the Penthouse. They're open every Fridays and Saturdays. That's your party cathedral. We would also like to thank Parasat Cable TV for carrying Around Town in some parts of the Visayas and Mindanao. Thank you so much for watching Around Town. Now it's definitely time to go. Once again, my name is Alexis, saying thanks for keeping it here on RCTV Channel 36. We got you covered.